Hi Yoga Fam, it's Victoria, and today I'm not coming to you from the woods, but somewhere a little bit more cozy. I'm actually right in my kitchen, and I just made a super crazy delicious dinner, and then I decided I had a lot to talk about the recent Ayurveda intensives at the Yoga and Ayurveda Institute. So, over the past 2 or 3 sessions, I feel like there's just been so much knowledge brought to me, and like so much growth and things that I've actually applied in my actual life. And I wanted to talk to you guys about that today. So if you're familiar with Ayurveda, one of the more staple points of it, I guess you could say, is, to eat fresh. Your body literally becomes everything you eat. So I wanted to challenge myself by trying to cook as much as I could at home, fresh, organic food. Prior to these intensives, I wouldn't bring food with me. I would kind of go hungry or buy something that wasn't really good, or like overeat when I get home, and it was always something like readily available, again, that wasn't good or nutritious in any way. So I wanted to meal plan. And this whole experience has just been filled with so many successes, and I don't want to say failures because it just seems like I keep playing and trying new things, and it's almost like it keeps getting better and better and better. So some of the successes I've had with my meal plan is that I've actually been doing it pretty consistently. I am a very flighty, active person, so for me to dedicate a day or just like sit down and do something is difficult and it gets in the way a lot. But yeah, I've been doing it, which feels amazing. About like a full month I've been doing this. Also, now I'm starting to like take food with me to school. So now I have it's really cute. I bring like little snacks, things that are, a little bit more quicker, but they're better quality than whatever's in the vending machine or even the cafe. I bring fruit. I have a canteen, so the food is still warm when I get to it, which is another like huge thing about Ayurveda. You never want to eat cold food. Unless it's like a salad, of course. And then something that kind of held me back for a while, and of course, you come in and out. There's days where you fall out of your thing and you don't eat your food or whatever. And that's actually what I kind of experienced is I would cook so much food, like 3 different meals, could feed like multiple person each dish. And my fridge was like stocked with food, and it was a blessing, but there was no way I could eat it all. So I felt bad wasting all this like organic food that I've spent more than half a day cooking. So that was something that was like on my mind all the time. So now what I'm going to try to do is cook less, like maybe just one meal and then kind of eat it for lunch and dinner that day. That way I don't have leftovers. The food stays more fresh. And yeah, I've been playing with that. The meal I just made was so good and so fresh, instead of waiting for the next day to eat it. So I just wanted to share my story with you guys to let you know that it's like a lot of feeling out, seeing what works, seeing what doesn't work. It's very like fluid the way it is, and it almost makes sense that yoga and Ayurveda are these sister sciences, because it's so easy to fall out of something, but in yoga, how many times you fall down, you get up like 7 times more. And what a beautiful lesson that is. And I've kind of been applying it to things off the mat, meal planning. Yeah. So thank you for listening to my story, guys. I can't wait to share more with you. The next video, I'm gonna tell you guys what my kind of research project is gonna be on. I'm really excited. The reason I'm holding back on telling you is because by the time I start it, the video will kind of be after that. So yeah, I just want to start it before I tell you guys, basically. Well, anyway, thank you guys so much, and I can't wait to talk to you guys again soon. Take care, and namaste.